Hi, my name is Hassan Haruna from the News Chronicle. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern region. First, let me start with Kwara State. A devastating flood has submerged houses in Popo town of Kwara State, leaving residents vulnerable. The flood triggered by the rainfall on Saturday evening. Now move to Niger State. Assistant Superintendent of Police Shafiu Bawa has committed suicide on Saturday. His lifeless body was discovered hanging on the ceiling in his room. Similarly, the Nasarawa State Police Command has arrested student of the Federal Polytechnic Nasarawa for killing his fellow student. The suspect confessed attacking the victims with knife. Now move to politics. Recently dismissed Adamawa resident electoral commissioner Hudu Ari has maintained that Senator Aisha Binani of APC won the 2023 governorship elections. This comes days after Senate approved his removal from the INEC. Still in politics, the presidency has ordered northern ministers to counter oppositions from blackmailing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This comes after Governor of Bauchi State blasts President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's policies. This raises questions among Nigerians. The 2027 general elections is around the corner, but we will find out what will happen, especially in the northern regions, because the oppositions now collaborating with other political parties to form a strong party to face President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now sports. El Kanemi Warriors score 1-0 against Nasarawa United on Saturday. The goal came in the 29 minutes after Al Amin seized an opportunity to put the Warriors late. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more updates. You can still follow us in Facebook, X. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you next.